Now we need to add the back button to our notes. So for example, if I click on this leave note here, there's no way for me to get back to the main page or the list page. So let's add some details. So I'm going to go to the notes detail here, and right after this one, I'm going to say div dot, I can change this to HTML. Okay, so let's say div dot card footer. And inside this, we're going to add a anchor tag. So I'm going to add a anchor tag here, and it's going to have a class btn sm. So I'll say btn warning. I'm going to call this as back. Okay, so I'm going to create another button, and this is going to be actually this is going to be warning, so I'm going to change this to primary. Okay, so this is going to be edit, and here we need to add in the URL. So for the back, we want to send them back to the notes list. So I'm going to say URL, say notes dot list. Let's check that. Let's get back here. Let's hit refresh, and if I click on this back button, that's going to take me to the notes list. So if I click on edit, that's going to take me to the edit page. So let's see how we can do that one. So if I go to the URLs, you can see that this is the one which you want to add, and that's the notes update. Just copy this name. Let's go to notes detail, and I'm going to say URL, paste this here. Now we need to specify the key. So it's going to be pk is equals to note dot id. Let's save that. Let's hit refresh, and now you can see that it's going to take me to the edit page. And from here, I should be able to go back to the notes list app. So let's get back over here, and we're going to go to the notes form. And what we're going to do here is we have the card body, right? So let's say div dot card footer. Okay, so I need to change that to HTML. Right. Okay, that's card footer. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these two items what we have. Actually, I just need the back one. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it over here. Save that. Let's get back and hit refresh. Now you can see that we have the back button. So if I click on back, that's going to take me to the back page.